Is that a zip tie on this? Oh, bro, what is wrong with this dog? What's wrong with this dog, bro?
I'm sending shots, these niggas, they old. That boy rare, you know that he told. Like a granddad, I walk with that pole. Nike check from my head to my toe. Wait.
So let's see what happens in this video. A guy riding a car usually doesn't end well, and as you expected, didn't end well. Once again, I guess they're trying to cut up in traffic or something. I think they're on Forza Horizon or GTA. It is in fact busted. And it's sad that he kept going. But I mean, what else do we expect out of an Ultimate driver?
He just crashed his shit, bro.
This dude's freaking out. I think this guy is more in distraught than the dude who got hit.
That nigga fucked up big time, bro.
Very big.
Big time. Thought he was nice, man.
Like, so many questions. How do you end up on the top of a Camry? And you're in a convertible Camaro, and it's probably a V6. And they got a mask on. A lot of L's in this video. It's probably a rented car. I don't know if he's more embarrassed at wrecking or driving a V6 convertible Camaro. It's like their steering wheel got locked and they just couldn't move. Like, Jesus. I don't know why he's mad. You're a passenger.
I did not just fucking record that shit.
He just left the scene of an accident, basically.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh shit!
This car's just flipped over. You guys see it? And he's running. Like, where are you going? Like, grandma's gonna be mad you wrecked your car. That was fast. Let's see what this Mustang's about. I guess they put the little stopper there, but then they go in reverse. I think that video's in reverse. Cannot wait till I have this hood on my car. Wish I had this dude's speed, George Thomas, but one day we'll be there. Yeah, that thing's nasty. I think it's been like 8.9 or 9.0. One of the two. Very fast car. Looks so good too. You know, I thought this was the Western Chaplain dude, but it's not. So he's got competition. I like the uniqueness of it, although it's been done before. But I mean, you don't. How many of these do you see? Like 2 of them. That's it. And I've yet to see one do a truck pull with a Mustang. Pretty sweet. Bet this dude would try to post this truck for like 12 grand and it has like 335,000 miles, rusted out, but hardly ever rode hard. Thing's more clap than Mia Khalifa, honestly. Not ideal. This is when your friend wants to help you detail.
You need head? Oh wait. by using small amounts of throttle. The driver is being gentle on his vehicle, and, just as important, he's being considerate of the surface on which he is traveling.
Thought Patrol, that's great. They're in Mama's SUV or something. Dude, Jesus, people are crazy. This dude right here is shredding. Oh yeah, dude's talented. Or when you skip leg day.
One cool truck.
Man, it's pretty mint. Lower control arms, everything in the front suspension gone. Unfortunate. Dude just absolutely totaled his car. For what? To be on a YouTube video by yours truly. Shout out, bro. But hope you guys enjoyed this brand new video. Until next time, peace out, guys.